Hi, welcome to Borderview Veterinary Hospital. My name is Amber. I'm one of the CSRs here. Come on in and I'll show you around. So when you first walk in, right to your left, you'll see our lovely recessed scale in the floor here. So it's nice and flush with the floor, so it's easy for our doggy friends to hop onto. And then right here at the front desk, you'll often see Sherry or myself ready to greet you guys as you walk in. We're answering the phones here, scheduling appointments, that kind of thing. And as we make our way down this wall, we've got a nice retail section. So we do have a dog and a cat side. Here you can purchase prescription diets, treats. We do medicated shampoos, dental care products like toothpaste, dental wipes, that kind of stuff. And as we make our way down this way towards the waiting room, we do have a nice accessible handicap washroom back there. And then this is our waiting room area. We do have it separated into two different sections. So there's a nice dividing wall here in case we have a cat and a dog at the same time to keep them separated, or maybe two dogs who maybe don't love each other so much. So this nice partition wall keeps everybody safe, calm, stress-free, separated. In the waiting room, we also have this nice little coffee nook station here. So it is a little Keurig. You can make yourself a tea, hot chocolate, coffee. We do also have water bottles, so there's something for everybody. So if you're waiting for some blood work, or if you're waiting for your pet to get an x-ray taken, you can help yourself. And then on this side of the room, we have all of our exam rooms. We do have 4 exam rooms here, plus a 5th extra quiet room. We'll get to that in just a moment. Let's go on in one and we can take a look. So this is one of our typical exam rooms. As you can see, there's a comfortable bench for you to sit on here. The doctor does do 30-minute appointments with all of our pets. So you have a nice long exam consultation with the doctor. We got some cute artwork on the walls here. Every room has a different picture, so depending on what room you're in, you might see a different one. And then over here, this is our feline-friendly room. So this exam room is much like the other ones, almost identical in fact, except this is the cat-only room, so no dogs allowed. The only real difference, besides no dogs being allowed in, is you have this really cute kitty jungle gym on the wall here, so the cats can climb and explore different levels and holes for them to go through. The reason we don't allow dogs in this room is so that there's no dog pheromones, so it makes the visit as stress-free as possible for our cat friends. And then we're gonna head back towards the front here. This is our quiet room. So this is another exam room, but set up a little bit different. This is where we might have some more sensitive appointments, so maybe a quality of life exam or maybe end of life appointment. So let's go on in and take a look. Okay, as you can see, our quiet room is set up a little bit more like a living room. So it's a little more comfortable of a setting, especially for those end-of-life care appointments. We do have everything that we need in this room. It is fully stocked and equipped, just like the regular exam rooms. There is an oxygen hookup as well in this room, but it's just a little more comfortable for those saying goodbye to their loved ones. We do also have here for children these really sweet little burden bears. So when they're saying goodbye to their furry friend, they have a little buddy to go home with them. They have a really cute little poem inside them too. Okay, we're now gonna head into the back half of the hospital. So this is where a lot of the hidden magic happens that you, the client, might not get to see every day. As we head down this way, you can see we're on the back side of the exam rooms now. All of our exam room doors have these really cool porthole windows, so it kind of feels like we're in a ship, which is neat. It's just so we can peek in before we head into the room to make sure we're not interrupting like a blood draw or something like that. And we have this really cool towel bar warmer here too. This is so we can heat up some blankets for our furry friends. So when they come in, they have a nice warm toasty towel on the table. And as we make our way back this way, this is our laboratory and pharmacy area. So often you'll see the technicians hard at work here. They might be preparing medications for your pet. They might be doing lab work. We do in-house lab work here. We do in-house blood work, fecals, urinalysis tests, that kind of stuff. So because we do a lot of stuff in-house, you'll get results a lot faster for your pets. So that's really great. And then we're gonna head back down this way. This is heading towards the treatment room area. Come on down. Okay, so as we pass towards the treatment room area, this is our little communication room. There's just some computers and phones in here. Often the doctors are hard at work in here doing recall, callbacks. Our technicians might be in here working on the same thing. One of the CSRs might be in here doing a lot of our text messages, emails, and that kind of stuff. And now we head into the treatment room. So this is where a lot of the stuff happens when they say you're taking their pet into the back. This is the treatment room area in the back. So we've got this big hub in the center here, holds a lot of our equipment. We've got a lot of tables coming off the sides here. We have a cool little tub here in case we need to wash up a pet. This is the kennel area. So if your pet is staying here for a procedure or a surgery, as you can see, this cage is already set up for a pet to come for a surgery today. This is where they would be staying for the day. It's a nice and open concept so the technicians can keep a close eye on the pets while they're here. We do have an oxygen tank as well if your pet needs to be on oxygen for the day. So the technicians are always very close to your pets while they're here, keeping a close eye on them. This room over here is our surgery suite. So we're not going to go in because it is a sterile field, but if you want to take a peek in there through the window, this is where we do all of our soft tissue surgeries. So spays, neuters, lumpectomies, which is a lump removal, stuff like that. It does include this cool little pass-through wall window. So if we need to pass the doctor something they might need in the surgery room, we don't have to enter the room, break the sterile field. We put it in here, close the door, they open it up on the other side. On the opposite side, we have our dentistry suite. So if we come on in here, this is where a lot of all of our dental procedures happen. We do a lot of dentistry surgeries here. Dr. McTaggart, who is the practice owner, dentistry is his special area of interest. So we do a lot of them here. Dental cleanings, dental polishings, oral surgeries. We have a lot of the same equipment that you might see at your regular doctor's dental office, just like for humans, except we do them on your dogs. So a lot of stuff happens in here. You get a little messy. And as we head back towards this way, we stop and we see the x-ray room. So we do in-house x-rays here. So come on in and say cheese. This is where your pet's picture gets taken. So we do try to do hands-free restraint as much as possible. We also do chemical restraint, which means your pet might be given sedation to make them nice and relaxed and sleepy. We do as much as we can to make this experience as stress-free as possible. So we do take x-rays in here as well. And then now we're gonna head back towards sort of the front half of the hospital. We're still in the back side though. So come on down, it's a long little hallway here. Alrighty, we're getting close to the end. In here is our extra little kennel area. So we do have more cages in here. A lot of the time this is not really utilized. Most of our pets are kept in the treatment area. Right now it's used for a lot of storage, but we do have a large run in here in case we have a giant breed dog that stays and won't fit in one of the cages in the back. But most pets are kept in the treatment area so the technicians can keep a close eye on them. Our manager's office is back there. She's always hard at work. And then we're gonna come into here. This is our pack prep area. So this is where one of the biggest things happens in the hospital, which is laundry, and we do a lot of it. Our assistants are very hard at work in here, usually doing laundry, cleaning surgical instruments, prepping surgery packs for the next surgery for the next day. So a lot of cleaning goes on. The assistants do all of the cleaning in the hospital as well to keep everything spick and span. So without them, this place would truly crumble. So a lot of hard work goes on in here. And with that brings us right back out to the front. So as you can see, we've made a big loop and now we're just back out in the waiting room area. We are an AAHA accredited hospital as well, which means we are the American Animal Hospital Association accredited. We do have to maintain a higher standard of cleanliness and care protocols. We do get audited by them every couple of years as well, so an AAHA associate will come out and make sure we are maintaining those levels of practice and care. So that is gold standard medicine, basically. So as we come back this way, this is coming to the end of the tour now. And now we're back all the way to the front. I hope you enjoyed this tour and I hope you have a great day and we hope to see you soon.